And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. It's quite easy. Just put some footage in your timeline. Let me cut that short. I press C. I'll delete half of it. And you can see the girl is running from left to right. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this is our clip. Right click on it. Speed and duration, and you will find this box, reverse speed. Just check it, press OK, and now it's backwards. Depending on the footage, you might render it so that it runs smoothly, but this is the basic process. Let me copy that. I'll hold Alt, and then I uncheck reverse speed for the first one, and if I run it, you've got it now left to right, and then she runs backwards. And this is how you can reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.